have avocado here, you have granite here, we also have our fish here, and it's very nice. And we've added red oil to it. So please try this in your houses. It's very, very nice. Okay. And it's easy to
appreciate our work by subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are going to prepare Ghanaian's popular food known as mashed plantain. In our local language, we call it eto. So we are going to prepare it nicely, and then it's very delicious. So you guys, take your seat and follow us. We say we love you so much for what you guys have been doing for us. Sharing our videos, subscribing, liking, and also leaving your comments in the comment section.
Musha eto no say the body and the yeto nti musha body no eni onso ye de be fra body no mu di ayeto no eno nso ni ye pe jeni mako kusua nkate de begu eto no so ni.
Guys, I'm about to cook, so I'm setting my fire to prepare my eto known as mashed plantain. So I'm setting my fire. If you are using this kind of fire to cook, your food will be ready just in 10 minutes right now. And we are living in a local village where we don't have any access to gas, and then anything we use firewood to cook. I'm setting my fire. Guys, please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also give the video thumbs up. I love you guys. Hello guys, first I'll be adding my eggs to it, so I have to go and boil it. I'm just washing it nicely, transferring it to my pot, then I'll add water, then I'll boil it. Egg. Great. Hello guys, I'm now peeling my plantain. You have to peel it nicely, then you wash it, then go and put it on fire. First I'm peeling my plantain, and I know that I'm going to add eggs to it. I've already put my eggs on fire, and it's on fire to save time, and then so I've put my eggs on fire. I'm peeling my plantain. Now you peel it nicely, then you wash it. This kind of food is easy to prepare at home, and it's very, very delicious. Please try this at home. Even, you know what guys, children like it most. If you have a child, please try this for your child. You see how the child will be so happy. I even told my friend to do it for his son, and she did it. It was so amazing. The child was so happy. Every day he asked the mama, do it for me, do it for me, do it for me. Please try this at home. Okay, we Ghanaians, we like it most, but children like it most than we the adult ones. I'm telling it. Hello guys, if you are going to cook your plantain or if you're going to put your plantain on fire, please you put the green one under before the red one top, because the green one is hard and the red one is soft. So if you put the soft one under, it will be too soft for you. So don't forget, just put the green one, the hard one under, and then the soft one on top. Okay. Hello, I'm now roasting my tilapia, my salted fish. So you put it on fire like this. You take your time, please, and then you turn it so that it won't get burnt. If you leave it on fire and you go somewhere, it will burn. You have to sit by it and turn it how I'm turning it to make it nicely so that it won't get burnt. Hello guys, now my fish is ready, so I'm removing it. As your plantain is on fire, so you have to grind your pepper and your onion and be waiting for the plantain to be ready. So I'm grinding my pepper like this, waiting for my plantain to be ready. Hello guys, the grinder that I'm going to use it, you have to add some and grind it before you add some to it. The one that you didn't grind it, you add it, but I'm grinding it to the pepper. So you add some to the pepper and you grind it nicely, smoothly before you add your plantain to the pepper. Oh, sorry. Plantain, you have to now there you need some small strength to do it like this. mash it nicely like this. You mash it nicely. Add your it like this. The oil that I'll be using, so you have to heat it, put it on fire. You cook it nicely before you add it to the mashed plantain. I'm adding my onion to the red oil. Have avocado here, you have granite here, we also have our fish here, and it's very nice, and we've added red oil to it. So please try this in your houses. It's very nice. Okay, and it's easy to prepare.
You are welcome once again on Eagle Eye Angle. Today, as we can see how the process and the end results of the process, we have entered the kingdom of mashed plantain, known in Ghana as eto. Guys, as the process is, please follow it at least once a week. Try this in your local homes. Feed the body, that makes the money better, and original food. I share. Thank you.
The food is sweet and then it's so nice because of that. We finished eating early. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share your comments, and also give the video thumb up.
Very great. As you can see, now we have uprooted the eto. We have finished eating the fiber, vitamins, and the minerals. Oh, very great. Try. try it at least once a week.
You can appreciate our work by subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you, guys.
I Angle.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.